Hey friends, this is Nadine from the Maker's Heart Studio, and as promised, this is a flip through of the entry I made in my Illustrated Fate Bible using the Open Journey Homebound kit. And let me tell you guys, this was a beautiful kit. It really spoke depths to my heart and provided some healing from grief that I've suffered upon losing my mom 10 years ago. So before I go, let me answer that one question everybody always asks me about how I attach transparency to my page. It's really simple. I just use washi tape basically, and I use it in a way to create a hinge. The washi tape is removable. It's not like tape. So sometimes it kind of like unglues itself, like you can see on top there. But that's basically what I do. But guess what? I have thought of something that's even better than using washi tape. So the front part of this was built on an envelope. You can't see the envelope because it has butterflies and stickers in there. And in the envelope, I put these two cards in there. This card and these two stickers was provided in the kit. I love this black and white horse. And because this, I love functional layering, if you want to call it that way, meaning that it's just not layering, but I can pull things out. I like anything that is functional and, versatile, and you can engage with it and interactive. Like I just love pop-ups and pull-outs and surprises. I love surprises in all of my art. So just always know that if I create something, there's always something that I could pull out. And that is, it's also a nice little pocket to kind of hide any kind of secret that I have in terms of like how I felt about my mom passing away or whatever. So, so all of these elements was provided for us in the kit. It's a beautiful kit, guys. Go check it out. openjourney.com, I believe it is. So of course you can see, look, the washi is kind of ungrooving itself, but as I said, I have a better idea, which I'm really excited to show you guys. So anyway, so this second page here, as you turn the transparency, that red flower, so I'm kind of still sticking this thing down. Anyway, that's not the red flower, the yellow flower. Oh, my eyes. Is actually a plastic flower that I got from a dollar store, and all of the washi and all of the elements are provided on the word Fetty. So on the left side, this sort of file here is provided for us, not as a file. I created a file because I wanted like a homebound file, only because it's gonna hold things that are homebound-ish, if you know what I mean. Meaning stuff about relationships lost and people I lost, like my mom, and loved ones I lost. So far I've really only lost my mom, which has been devastating in itself. So the first part, the way how the layering went in here was that I used these cards and I had stuck a staple on these flowers on top to make sort of like a groove so that they will stick on top or sort of layer on in the envelope. And in the envelope or file, this section of the file, you can say, is this secret compartment. Now, there are many secret compartments in this thing. And this is one of them. And this is an envelope that I created to write a letter. So now it's not a secret because it's on YouTube, it's on IG, it's on Facebook. So it's not a secret. So if you find this, you can just go straight to the envelope and look and read all the crazy. But it's okay, by then I'll be just like homebound. I would be home. So what I did was I attached the flower, as I said, and I sort of make a lip so that it can kind of stay on top of the envelope. So it wouldn't, be stuck in the back. And I kind of show you with this last one, I didn't create one, so it just goes straight to the bottom of that. And of course, there's more space to hold stuff in there, so I'm really happy. And these shoes here kind of represent my journey home. And of course, there's a picture of me. I'm not home yet. I'm still on this side of the earth. So, and I haven't written anything, but I think I'll maybe write a prayer of expectation behind my picture. This heart was provided for us in the kit, and I also made a lip using one of the tabs. I just stapled it on. You can't see the staple, no big deal. So it'll sort of attach itself onto the second part of the file folder. And remember, this sort of file folder thing was provided for us in the kit, and in the kit it holds like all these amazing ephemera and stickers and stuff. So this here is a picture of my mom who passed away about 10 years ago unexpectedly, and that itself is a whole drama. And this printable here you get if you go, so Open Journey has also printables. If you didn't get the physical kit like I did, you can also get the printables, and this here is a background printable that I'm using to write like notes to God. I kept it, I sort of I stuck this on with washi, you can see there, but it's removable. So as of today, as I said, I have not written directly in my Bible. I just kind of stick things down that can be removable because I have like a bigger plan in how I want to do Bible journaling. So these two kind of bookmark things, that one is for my mom and the other one I sort of designate for my father. Not that I'm thinking that he passed away before me, but you know, just in case I have one already for him. And I know that's kind of morbid, but you know, we're all going homebound, and that's what I learned in this kit. Like, death is not like the end, it's just the beginning of a different journey. And so this is my homebound entry, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.